Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube Creative Studio. I'm so happy you decided to spend some time with me. Today I prepared for you a really quick and very simple project how to create this wonderful beanie. To be honest, I absolutely was not able to decide which size will be right and which one will be wrong. So I decided to create this beanie truly reversible. I love both sides and I hope you will do so. The pattern is absolutely perfect for beginners, and the written pattern and all the information you will find at my website and also in the box below. If you are here for the first time, please don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. Thank you! And now let's get started. Grab some yarn. I chose bongo batik and a crochet hook 8mm. I start with a magic ring. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and it counts as my first double crochet. And I will continue crocheting double crochets in that magic ring till I have 12 stitches. I count this first chain 3 as a double crochet, so I will make 11 more. Okay, I will continue and please do so. Okay, I have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 12. I'm ready with the first row, and I will join this first row by slip stitch placed into the third chain from the beginning. Okay, I made a slip stitch and the first row is ready. The second row I will start chaining 3 and then one more double crochet into the same stitch, and then into each stitch from the previous row I will place 2 double crochet. Okay, one more into the same stitch. Wonderful. Into the next stitch again 2 double crochet, so 1 and 2 into the same stitch, and continue the same way into each stitch 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, amazing. 2 in each stitch. And once you reach the end, please finish by slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning. Row number 3, chain 3 as our first double crochet, and now around the first stitch from the previous row, which is chain 3, I will place one front post double crochet. Around next stitch I will place one more front post double crochet. Amazing. And around next stitch I will make back post double crochet. Wonderful. And now between 2 stitches from the previous row I place 1 double crochet. So it means that it's increasing in that row, so the stitch is placed between stitches, and continue 1 back post double crochet, and I will repeat the increasing, so between 2 stitches I will place a double crochet. Okay, so I made now increasing of 2 stitches in that row. Now I will continue with my pattern, so 1 front post double crochet into next stitch and 1 front post double crochet again into next stitch. So we have 2 front posts ready. So look at the pattern one more. This row is a bit complicated, so I will do it really slowly. So now back post double crochet, and again I will do increasing, so between 2 stitches I place 1 double crochet. and again a back post, double crochet, and one more increasing. So one double crochet between two double crochets from the previous row, and I will repeat the pattern. So one front post around next two stitches, so one, and this one is second one. Now back post, double crochet, and between two stitches one double crochet, again back post, double crochet, and a double crochet between two stitches. So simply speaking, after each back post double crochet I work one double crochet between two stitches. Next, one front post into next two stitches. Now back post double crochet, and after it a double crochet between two stitches, one more back post, and a double crochet between two stitches. Wonderful. I hope now it's more easier. So one front post into next two stitches, okay, one and two, and now a back post, and after that back post a double crochet between two stitches from the previous row, again back post around next stitch, and a double crochet between two stitches. Amazing. Okay, now I have 4 stitches left to the end, so one front post, one front post, one back post, now between two stitches a double crochet, and around the last stitch from the previous row I will place a back post, and I started as a chain 3, so it will be my double crochet which I would normally place between two stitches. I finish by slip stitch into the third chain. So as you can see, I have 6 sections, each has 6 stitches, so in total I have 36 stitches. Okay, let's continue the row number 4, chain 3, and around next stitch, which is my front post double crochet, I will place a front post double crochet. Okay, see the pattern, and around next front post I will place again a front post. Now you can see at the pattern that there is a back post, so I will do a back post into that back post stitch. Okay, and now there is a one double crochet, so I will also do a back post around it. Now I have a back post, so I will do back post, and I reach my double crochet from the previous row, and I will do a back post again. So I have 4 back post stitches. Now I will do 2 front post, 1 and 2, and I will repeat that pattern with 4 back post stitches. So start a back post, 2 back post, double crochet from the previous row, now back post around a double crochet, amazing, amazing. So which is my second back post. Now back post around the back post double crochet from the previous row, and one more back post double crochet around the double crochet from the previous row. So again I have 4 back post double crochet stitches after 2 front post, and I'll repeat the pattern. So 1 front post and the second front post double crochet, and I will make 4 back post double crochet stitches. So my first one, the second one around the double crochet, okay, I have 2 already, the third one around the back post from the previous row, which is easy to find it, and the fourth one around the double crochet from the previous row. So I have 4 double crochets already, and now 2 front post again, 1 and 2, and as you already know, I will continue with 4 back post double crochet stitches, and it's absolutely easy. You will just repeat that pattern till you have your beanie ready. So 2 front post double crochet and 4 back post double crochet. I told you, my crochet friend, that this beanie is very quick, very simple and very easy. So continue with your pattern. Each row start with chain 3 and don't count this chain 3 as a stitch. Make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, and into next 4 stitches 1 back post double crochet. So the first back post double crochet, the second back post double crochet, the third one, and the fourth back post double crochet, and I will continue with 2 front post each around each stitch from the previous row, and again 4 back post stitches. Now you can very easily follow the pattern from the previous row. So into each front post from the previous row place front post, and into each back post from the previous row place back post, and each row finish by slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning. And you can continue till you have your beanie ready. So look at my work. It's amazing, isn't it? It was so easy. I add only 12 more rows. I repeated pattern. I have, 6 sections, and each one has 6 stitches. So I have in each row 36 stitches, and that's it. You need to know. Now you can put the pom-pom on the top of your beanie. As I told you, I made the beanie reversible, so I put a small button on the pom-pom, and you can just pull the button through the hole on the top of the beanie to fix the pom-pom on the beanie, and that's it. Okay, pull the button through. Okay, and you can wear it. The bottom is really simple and clever solution. What do you think about? And if you want to look at the wrong or right, what do you prefer, size of my beanie, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, there are 4 front post stitches, and between them there are 2 back post stitches now. So 4 front post stitches and 2 back post stitches, okay, and 6 sections again. So which one you prefer? I love both. So you can put the pom-pom on the top, just pull the button through the hole, That's it. Sorry, I have to remind you that we have to also fasten off the yarn to finish the beanie, and then you can wear it. And that's all from my side, my friends. The beanie is ready and I can wear it. If you will have any question to this project, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to help. Thank you very much once again for watching. If you liked the video, please don't hesitate to give me your like. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please don't hesitate to do so. I love you. Take care. Happy crocheting and see you soon. Bye bye.